Imagine you're writing a story in a notebook, and what if I tell you that you can convert that story into a video within just minutes? Sounds unbelievable, right? But with the help of AI, it is possible now. By using just text, you can convert any story or script into a video. No editing, no complicated things required. So before starting the video, I just want you to see an example. See this video.
Quiet cafe, soft music weaves through the air as Emma sketches intently near the window, lost in her art. Rain streaks down the window, blurring the world outside as Arjun bursts through the entrance, disrupting the calm. His sudden entrance sends Emma's pencils scattering across the floor. "Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to disturb your sketch." Arjun apologizes. With a gentle laugh, Emma responds, "It's all right. You added a splash of adventure to my drawing." Arjun sits, his gaze drawn to Emma's sketch, a silent admiration filling the cafe. He approaches Emma cautiously, a hopeful question in his eyes as he asks, "That's beautiful. Do you draw often?" Emma responds, her voice soft, "Only when it rains. It makes the world feel poetic." Arjun's eyes sparkle with anticipation. "Maybe you could sketch me someday, if the rain brings me luck again." Emma smiles warmly, the connection between them deepening in the cozy cafe. A burgeoning connection fills the air. Emma and Arjun emerge from the cozy warmth of the cafe, stepping into the soft caress of an evening drizzle. At Emma's doorstep, a silent exchange unfolds as Emma hands Arjun a folded sketch, a tender offering. Arjun's face softens with emotion as he gazes upon the sketch, a simple, heartfelt depiction of their shared moment beneath the umbrella. "A memory for next time it rains," Emma says. Arjun watches Emma disappear into her building, a hopeful expression lingering on his face as the scene fades into quiet anticipation.
This whole video was created using AI by using just two tools, a GPT bot and Magic Light AI. So watch the video till end, as at the end I will discuss how this AI video content creation technique will be useful for you. So let's get started. Open any browser, search ChatGPT, or this time I'll use Perplexity. So I'll type here I want a short romantic story for a video. Generate the script for the video. You can customize the prompt as per your requirement, but for now I'm clicking generate. So here it is. What we'll do is we'll copy this, open a new tab and search Magic Light AI. Here I'll click on create. Here we have blank space. Just paste your script here. You can modify the script if you want. Select the aspect ratio. I'll select 16:9. In language, you can select anything. I'll select English for now. Here we have style. For now, I'll select Pixar. Here duration column. Here I'll select auto. Click on next. Wait for some time till it analyzes the story. So it has divided the scenes. So here it shows the duration of the video, approximate duration. I'll click on next. It will ask you to select the characters. If you have your own characters, you can select from here. But for now, I'll click on autocast. I'll click on next. So it is creating a storyboard. It will take some time as we are using free version of this tool. It will show you different scenes. So I'll click on next. We have two options here. You can continue direct with static movements, or we have animate all options. If you click on animate all options, you get different scene selections here. You can click next. You can confirm here. As we are using free version, we don't have enough credits to animate. So for now, we'll proceed directly. Click on next. I'll click on next. Here you have subtitle setting. If you want, you can have subtitle here. You can disable if you want here. I'll just keep here subtitle. And if you want to add a background music, you can select from the library. For now, I'll click on generate. The ratio is 16:9 for now, and the video export resolution is standard 720p. As we are using free version of it, just click on OK. This type of videos are very trendy. You can use it anywhere, like Instagram or YouTube. This will help you to generate income. Not only this will be helpful for marketing purpose also, for creating ads, different kind of presentations, etc. It might take up to 3 to 4 minutes. We will wait till the generation is complete. In the meantime, let me in the comment section what kind of story would you like to be generated by AI. Just drop down in the comment section. So our video is almost ready. Just click on preview. I'll click on play button. As you can see, our video is ready. If you want to download it, just click on download button.
In the quiet cafe, soft music weaves through the air as Emma sketches intently near the window. Light as Arjun bursts through the disturb your sketch. Arjun apologizes.
So this is how you generate a normal story into a video. So are you satisfied with only this? If not, just try the playlist on the end screen. It has multiple ways of how AI is helpful in design world.